अगर तुम इंग्लिश समझ लेते हो लेकिन बोल नहीं पाते, तो आज मैं तुम्हें अपनी डेली लाइफ की एक सिंपल स्टोरी के थ्रू इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगी और तुम्हें बस एक काम करना है, मेरे साथ रिपीट करना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। एवरी डे आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, बट honestly, sometimes I feel lazy. Repeat with me now. I feel lazy. And then I get out of my bed and check my phone. And suddenly I realize, no, I need to focus on my life. Now repeat after me. I need to focus on my life. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, not sometimes every day. And slowly I'm learning to become more disciplined. Then I go to the kitchen and make tea for myself. Sometimes I feel tired, but still I do my work. Repeat, I feel tired, but I do my work. While getting ready, I think about my day, what I have to do, how I will manage everything, and how I can improve myself. And yes, sometimes I make mistakes, but I don't stop because I know mistakes are part of learning. Now repeat, I make mistakes, but I don't stop. Then I start my working on my content. I record videos. I try again and again. And with practice, I gain confidence. Repeat, I gain confidence with practice. Sometimes I talk to my friends. Sometimes they support me. Sometimes they don't understand me. But one thing I have learned in life is I don't care what people think about me. Say it with me. I don't care what people think about me because I have my own goals and I'm focused on my growth. At night, I sit quietly and think about my whole day, what I did right and what I did wrong, and what I can improve tomorrow. And every night I say this to myself, I will do better tomorrow. Then repeat, I will do better tomorrow. No matter what happens, no matter what happens, I believe in myself and I never give up, never give up. Now, let's do one final practice together. Say it first with me, say it fast with me. I'm improving myself every day, single day, and I will become confident. Now, slow, I'm improving myself every single day, and I will become confident. Normal, I'm improving myself every single day, and I will become confident. Fast, I'm improving myself every day, and I will become confident. That's how you learn English. Not by thinking, but by speaking. If you really want to improve your English, so don't just watch this video. Practice with me daily, every day. Only just give me your 5 minutes every day and practice with me daily. Comment, practice, and follow for more. To subscribe, like, and share my videos to your friends and to your colleagues. Bye bye.